Are you thinking of purchasing a property in a black or white frame condition to creatively design your own home or investment from scratch? We can make your dream come true without a hassle. It doesn't have to be complicated. Black or white frame is another way of saying skeleton or shell and core. Now let's go over this real fast. Why should you buy in this condition? 1. You buy it cheaper because the owner can't generate income from it and needs more money to spend on it in order to turn it into a livable condition. So you have the upper hand. 2. You get to decide how much value to put inside it. And you'll also know exactly what you've bought, alright? When you buy a ready apartment here, only God knows where you bought those materials from, or if it's even still warranted. Number 3, you get to force appreciation on your property. So this is kind of like 8 plus 1 equals 10. This is when the investor takes action to increase the value of the property. So it doesn't matter if the market's booming or falling or frozen. When you complete an incomplete apartment, you can expect at least 20% profit margin straight away. That's it. And if you exit, simply let us know. It takes us only a maximum of 6 months to sell it for you. We will need at least 30 days to complete the design works. Our charges to design your apartment are a fixed rate of $25 per square meter, and you can expect to receive something like this. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing Sterling. My name is sanan-sanani and my team is your team. And remember, teamwork makes the dream work. God bless you.